What up, guys? Welcome back to the DMV channel. I'm Jeff Dixon. Isaiah's behind the camera. And today we are finally going to get back on the LS Miata, and we're going to start it off this spring with getting our transmission crossmember in. Now this will be like our third attempt at this video. It's fallen apart so many times before, but finally we're going to get it done. The first thing we need to do is get our subframe mounted so that we make sure that our motor and transmission are at the proper angle with this, and then that way we won't have any drive shaft vibrations. So that's it. Welcome back. I'm glad you're here. 500 subscribers, by the way. That's pretty awesome. Let's get to work.
I feel it in my face, yeah. I read it in my mails, yeah. Look, I feel it in my face, yeah. I feel it in my...
All right, might not have made for great video, but all we did was take the jack stands out of the back of the car, lift it up, lift the car up. It lifts up pretty easy, and then finagle it all to go back in. But anyway, that's it. So now we just got to bolt it up. All right, now let's go do the other side. Okay, here we go. Okay, that's it. Let's get to work on other stuff. That's dangerous. Partially why I'm drawn to it. I like danger. And you can get a good look at that rear end. You like that?
It seemed like a bad idea.
All right, put it on the blocks and the jack stand. Yeah. Yeah, oh yeah. I can really feel that coming together. Okay, spread your blocks out a little bit. Okay, let's do that all four corners, get this thing lifted up. It's not getting any safer. Don't pump it, and don't show the good folks on the tape. Don't show the good folks at home, Isaiah.
Too late.
Too late. We should go to the Crossmember, but I don't want to scratch it. Guess we'll just keep going where we were at, baby. Trying to get it up for exhaust. For the next episode is hopefully exhaust. Oh yeah. Oh, they're just gonna go. Gotta get scratched sometime, right? Don't show people my bald head. That's embarrassing. The jack's in the way. What am I ever gonna do? That's not gonna work.
Oh boy.
That's sketchy. Alright. Oh look, it wasn't bad at all. Now we can all feel good about it. Safety's number 3. Okay, let her down, son. Easy. Perfect, it's settled right in. Oh yeah, now we can get under here for sure. So here's what we're thinking. I thought about coming across here, right? Shoo! Something like this. Problem is it gets in the way of the exhaust. There's no good way to hold it. So what I'm thinking about doing is I've got these plates on here, right here. I'm thinking about just simply redoing this, come across, weld to the plates, put a plate on the inside, bolt it together, call it good. That's what we're gonna do. Okay, what I'm gonna do is cut this middle out and we'll reuse it. I've already reinforced it. Got some washers welded in there. It's already cleaned out. It looks nice. I know it fits the transmission well. So instead of rebuilding all this, I think all I'm going to do is grind these welds, pretty much cut it off, start over. So let's get to it. Okay, we've got it right here. Turned out pretty good. It's all welded up. You can kind of get an idea how it works. The transmission sits here, the transmission tunnel's here. It's going to be bolted on with 4 grade 8 bolts. I hope it's okay. I've got a plate. If it's not strong enough, we may drill through and glue a plate to the transmission tunnel. But for now, we're going to try it this way. We'll be able to see if it's moving a lot, flexing while we're driving. I think that's it. I think it looks pretty good. I'm going to get it cleaned up and painted. Okay. I don't know how well you guys can see this, but that's what we've got. I think it turns out pretty good. It looks good to me. It's bolted on the top side through here. I think it's pretty good. This metal is pretty thick. If it does need a plate, we could always drill a hole, drill 4 holes, put the plate on there, maybe glue it or weld it. I don't know. I think that's it for our very first episode back in 2020. The DMV channel. Is that our first 2020 episode?
Yep.
Woohoo! Dance time! All right, well, that's it for this episode. We'll see you guys next time. Join us, and we're going to get started on the exhaust. Yes! See you next time.